very powerful. Yes guys, look at that. Look at the meat, look at that. Yes guys, welcome back to Kelvin and Friends Cook Up. Today we'll be cooking some steamed fish with some sweet corn, and we're talking with some crackers. Yes, some water crackers. Guys, alright, you know what? Let's go. Cooking with Kelvin. Yeah. So guys, make sure you have a lime. Yeah man. Should wash your fish good. Alright guys, so right now as you can see, I have a fish here ready, already washed, clean, ready to season up now. Yes, so right now I'm just gonna add all my powder season on it. Look at that guys, a little bit of fish season. Yeah, I'm gonna add some black pepper. Yeah, and just a little bit all-purpose season. Yes, and just a bit of seasoned salt. And here we have some allspice. I'm just gonna add to it. Season it up with it and make it go on marinate with it. Yes, so that's all the powder season I'm gonna add on it now. I'm just gonna leave it for probably 10 minutes or so. Let the season go on marinating it, and then I'm gonna cook it. Alright. Yes guys, so right here I have all my vegetables. So right now I'm gonna cut it up, put it in the pot, and we're gonna steam our fish. Alright? Yeah. Look at this guys. Right now I have some okra here and some good Jamaican pumpkin. Look how pretty that is guys. Look at that. Yes, some good Jamaican pumpkin with some okra. And you know when you're doing your steamed fish, you have to have your okra. Yeah. So first thing first, we're gonna dice up pumpkin. Yeah. Alright, so I have the pumpkin and dice up. So we're just gonna add it to the pot. Alright, so right now I have some onion. Yeah. So we're just gonna dice this up. Alright guys, so right now I have the carrot, so I'm gonna dice it up. Alright, so here I have some Irish potato or potato. Yeah. Don't want to dice it up too fine too, you know. Yeah. So all of these vegetables, they are already washed. So now I'm gonna add it to the pot. Yeah. Yeah, so right here we have some chocho. So we'll have some bell pepper here. Yeah man, I'm gonna dice these up. Alright guys, so these are all my bell pepper. I'm gonna add it to the pot now. Yeah. Look at that guys. Look at that. Colorful. Very powerful. As I said, very powerful. A lot of vegetables in here, a lot of seasoning. Just gonna show you what I go on. Yeah, so right here I have some red root scallion. I'll strip it off, I already wash it and clean it. So now I'm just gonna dice it up. Yeah man, just like that guys. Add it to our pot now. Yeah, give it that flavor. Nice flavor. Right here we have some good thyme already washed. Add it to the pot just like that. Yeah, look at that guys. Alright, so here we have the okra. We're just gonna cut it in half. I'm not gonna cut it too small. Yeah, just gonna dice it in half like that. Remember, already washed and clean. add it to a pot. Look at that, guys. So now finally we have the corn. So I'm gonna cut up the corn a little bit smaller and then add it to the pot. Yeah, man. Just like that, guys. Yes, guys. So already washed, clean. Guys, look at this spot right here. When you have this with your steamed fish and your crackers, you don't need nothing else. You don't need all of these vegetables and the seasoning here. You can't get better than this right here. Alright guys, so right now we're gonna add some butter. Yeah. Yeah, man. Not too much, you know? Yeah. Yes guys, so right here we'll add some Maggi coconut milk powder. Yes, so this is what we're gonna add to our steamed fish. Yeah, to give it that flavor. Yeah. Alright guys, so you see, so I add some water to it and then we're gonna just mix it out a bit. Yeah, man. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Just add a little bit more water to it. Alright guys, so right now we'll just let the vegetables go and cook and then check in back in a bit. Yeah. Alright guys, so right now, as you can see, we have some cup noodle soup. So we're gonna add that to the pot too, right? Yeah. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Nice. Wow. Yes guys, so right now I'm going to strain off the powder from the noodle. As you can see, look at that guys. Look at that. If you could only smell it. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to add a hot Scotch bonnet pepper to give it that flavor. Yes, look at that guys. Yes, look at that. Yes. Alright guys, so do a little test, you know, see how the flavor is. Nice. Just gotta add a little bit more fish season to it. Yeah. That's it now. Nice. Right here, so that's how I want it. Yes guys. Alright guys, so these are the fish that I seasoned up earlier. So now I'm gonna add it to the pot. Yeah. Alright. Alright guys, so right now, see, we added the fish. So add a little bit more water to it. Yeah. And look at that guys. Yeah man. If you could just smell the scent that coming off of it, the aroma, all the flavor, all the seasoning. pumpkin, talking about even the hot pepper, scallion, thyme. Look at that, guys. Alright guys, so right now got some water crackers. Yeah, some water crackers we're gonna add on the steamed fish, guys. Yes. Show you what's going on. Some water crackers. Look at this, guys. Yeah. Let it go and steam down with the fish. Yeah, man. Alright. So finish. Ready to serve. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, man, with the crackers. As I was saying, see the flavor from the pumpkin? These guys. And you don't know you have your hot pepper, you don't want it to burst. So I'm gonna take it out and put it aside. Yeah. Alright. Crackers. Alright, guys. Look at that. Gosh. Oh, yes. Gosh, guys, look at that. Kind of carrot. Everything well cooked right here, guys. Yeah, man. Make sure you get some gravy all over the fish. Look at that. Not but greatness right here, guys. Yeah. You know you have to have your okra. See? Yeah. Nice. Yes, guys, look at that. Look at the meat. Look at that. Gosh. Fish well cooked. Look at that, guys. Man. And then you have all the carrots, the pumpkin right here. Carrot. Oh, gosh, the okra. Oh, the seasoning. Tastes really good, guys. Flavor there. Yeah, man. As you can see, look at the pumpkin. Yeah. Our Irish potato. When you have all of these vegetables, guys, you don't need no dumpling. You don't need no yam, nothing like that. Yeah, man. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna enjoy my food. I'll check him back in a bit. Yes, guys. Go ahead and enjoy your fish, you know? Yep. Yes, guys, the food was amazing. This is how I cook my dish, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you like it, remember, like, share, and leave a comment. Yes, and remember, tell a friend and tell a friend. Share it with all your friends. Yes, guys. And if you guys have a dish where you want me to cook, yeah, just leave it in the comment and I'll cook it for you guys. And remember, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys in the next video. God bless.